Hello, friends, welcome to our channel where we are about to embark on a journey through the world of bathroom tile designs that will leave you inspired and ready for your next home renovation project. In this video, we will explore a wide range of exquisite tile options and innovative layout ideas that will transform your bathroom into a stylish sanctuary. Discover the latest trends. Dive into the hottest trends in bathroom tile designs, from timeless classics to cutting edge styles. Whether you're aiming for a contemporary, rustic, or minimalistic look, we have got you covered. Different color palettes that pop. Learn how to use color effectively to create a cohesive and visual appealing bathroom. We will show you how to choose the perfect shades to match your personal style and make a statement. Tiles and shapes and patterns. Explore the myriad of possibilities when it comes to tile shapes and patterns, from subway style to hexagons and beyond. We will showcase the variety of designs that can elevate your bathroom aesthetics. Join us on this visual journey and let your creativity run wild as you reimagine your bathroom space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design inspiration, home improvement ideas, and DIY tutorials. Let's make your bathroom the epitome of style and comfort. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.